YouTube. This video is obviously on this. Basically, it's if any of you have one of those little, it's just for soap. And if you have one of those already, I did. I went through two of them, and they just broke easily. Essentially, on the bottom of this, it had a little container that you would have to take off every time, put more soap in it, and then screw it back on, and then it would work for a while, and it had like a spring in it and stuff like that. It broke twice, and it was like $80 to replace it each time, not to mention the original. So I found this on Amazon. I'm going to leave links in the description. And I just absolutely love it. So it matches mine. You know, they have different colors, gold, matte colors, whatever, but it just matched mine. And I hadn't used it in a while because I just get tired of spending the money to fix it. So I'm like, I wonder if they have a better one. This is way better. So not only do you not have to climb under the sink anymore to get the canister and take it off, put more in and screw it back on, this is a way better system. So don't mind the mess down here, but if you can see this hose just goes into a regular Dawn dish detergent or whatever you use for dish detergent bottle. I'm actually gonna get a larger one. And then you have, like if you get a really big one, you have soap for a long period of time. And this cap just fits right on top. There's like a little cork, then this cap goes on, and then that hose connects here, and then it goes all the way up to where you saw it up top there. One thing I will say, you have to keep pushing down on that thing for quite a while for this soap to get up there, but once it's there, that lock kind of like locks it in place so it doesn't come all the way back down. And you can see how it's all blue. But to get this up there, it took me many pumps. I think a better, and I didn't read the directions, I think a better thing that you could have done is just like suck on it and literally get the soap close and then stick it back on the bottom. And I'll see, you can see where it connects right there. It connects into the bottom of that thing, but you never have to get under here again and connect it once you do it this one time. Essentially all you'll do is pop this off and stick it in a new bottle. That's it. And I leave it, you know, close to the end here. But I would definitely like siphon it up, you know, suck it up until it gets closer, then connect it in and then finish pumping until you start getting some soap out of here. That was my only issue. Again, maybe I should have read the directions. They probably would have said to do that. But again, I just like making videos for you guys, things that I find work really well. I'm gonna add this in the description and with links if you guys wanna purchase them there, whatever. I do get a little kickback if you use my links, but I disclose it in my description. But I just really like it, and I just thought other people would as well, because if you've had to replace these already, they're just so expensive. This was, I think, like $20, maybe $25 the most. I'm not 100% sure. But I'll leave the link in the description so you can find it and see for yourself. And I think this is gonna last forever now. So that's all I got, guys. One other thing I wanna say is a lot of you guys aren't thumbs upping or liking my videos because you just kind of go through it, which is okay. But if you could just do me a favor and like the video, all that does is it tells YouTube, you know, the algorithm that people like it, so they'll send it out to more people. If nobody thumbs ups it, eventually your videos just go stagnant. So if you could please just thumbs up, and if you have any comments or whatever, leave them in the comments, and I usually get back to people. But like I said, there'll be links for the name and everything in the description that you can get it right on Amazon. All right, that's all I got, guys. Hope you're having a great summer, and see you in the next video. Thanks, YouTube.